Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today we are doing a one brand full face tutorial. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing yet, but we are using one brand only today, and that brand today is Wet n Wild. Very affordable. You can get it almost anywhere, I think. I got my stuff at Five Below, so you can get it almost anywhere, I'm sure. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start with the tutorial. I did forget a blush from Wet n Wild, so I'll be using another one, and I think a brown mascara. I don't know, I don't remember, we'll go through it. But yeah, I forgot a couple of things, but I'll still be using affordable things that you can still get at the drugstore, so don't worry, I'm not gonna use anything expensive today. Alright, so we're gonna start with this tutorial. Let's start with, as you can tell, I don't have any eyebrows, so we're gonna start with these today. Okay, cool. So this is what we're using for eyebrows today. This is the retractable brow pencil, whatever. I don't know. It has like the little triangle shape also. So I'm doing so you can see what I'm doing, even though it's kind of not focused. So they're my eyebrows. I haven't gotten them done, so please do not judge me. Alright, so I'm gonna do one brow on camera, the other one I'm gonna do it off camera because I am not about to do this, okay? Alright, so this is what the little tip looks like. So it's kind of like this little triangle shape. I'm not particularly happy about it. I don't really like these types of eyebrows thingies, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna try it and see how it goes. It does have a spoolie on the other side, which is good. So let's start with this brow because it's usually my easy brow. So I brush them up and then I start at the bottom and line the bottom first. I honestly can't tell if this is putting product in my eyebrow. Okay, it is. And then after I'm done with that, I brush the hairs down. Like I said, I haven't got my eyebrows done, so please don't judge me. And then I kind of do the same at the top, but I don't start all the way in. I kind of start like halfway and I line the top. Alright, so first impressions on this thing, I feel like it's not putting enough product on my brows. Like, do y'all see it depositing product on it? I mean, I feel like this is a more natural brow than what I would usually do. I'm not mad at it. I just feel like I have to work so much harder with this pencil. Honestly, if you're on a budget and you don't mind this little like type of shape brow pencil, this is not that bad. It actually did my eyebrows pretty quickly and they usually take me forever. Alright, cool. Moving on to the next one. Alright, so here are the brows done. I haven't cleaned them up yet, so they look kind of crazy, but honestly, I know I was talking shit about that little product at the beginning. I'm not mad at it. It actually didn't take that long for me to fill out my eyebrows, so that's a plus from me. Let me go ahead and zoom you. Well, actually, I'm about to do my eyes, so let me go ahead and carve this out real quick. So for eyes, we're gonna be using this Wet n Wild palette. Looks like this. It looks like the Modern Renaissance palette, so that's why I got it. Also, I don't think I mentioned the name of this palette. This is Rosé in the Air. Cute. Alrighty, so let's see. What do I want to do? So I think I'm gonna start by taking this shade right here. It says Transition. And I'm just gonna take that on a Morphe M441. We're gonna go on the crease. pretty shade. And it's blending out really nice. And I think after that, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. It's more of like a reddish brown shade. And I'm gonna take that on a Morphe M443 and just go on the outer corner. I feel like that shade is taking a little bit longer to blend. Like, it doesn't want to blend on the crease. So it did take a little bit of work to blend that shade out, but it blended out. Not bad. So just blend out the edges. And I'm not doing anything crazy today because I'm not doing lashes, so I don't feel like doing anything dramatic. So next I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, just this gold shimmery shade. And I'm just gonna take that on a flat brush. This is an Urban Decay brush that came in a palette a long time ago. So I do have to say these eyeshadows are kind of powdery, but they're not bad. They're not something like annoying. Oh, that is pretty. Wow, I'm impressed. That is such a pretty shade. Wow, I'm actually kind of shook. This is the first time I try a Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Like, I've never tried eyeshadows from Wet n Wild before, and I'm kind of impressed by that gold shade. Like, that is so cute. Oh yeah, I'm feeling this look. It's so pretty. I think I'm gonna just leave it there. Wow. Okay, well, I'm gonna do the other eye off of camera to save some time because y'all already saw me do this eye. So I'll be back. Alright, so that is the eyeshadow done. I am obsessed. Like, I am seriously obsessed. That gold shade, that is a no Fix Plus, nothing. That is straight up dry and it's beautiful. Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild, you have impressed me. Okay, so I'm gonna take this black eyeliner. It's black brown? Alright, so it just looks like this. Apparently I got it in black brown, but whatever. With this liner, I'm gonna smudge it like on the upper lash line right here. It's not showing up. I'm actually kind of upset that I didn't get it in black. Alright, and after I put that there, I'm just gonna blend it out with my fingers. Honestly, you can't even tell that there's eyeliner there. Whatever. Well, that was trash. Alright, Wet n Wild, you got good eyeshadows, but your liners suck. Alright, so now that that's done, we're gonna move on to the face. Y'all already know. For primer, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Dewy Lumino? I don't know. This is what it looks like. It's a dewy primer because your girl is dry. So, yeah. I didn't put too much. Oh lord, okay. That's too much. Alright, so let me guess. I'm going to be using the Cushion Foundation by Wet n Wild. This is in this shade Nude Beige. Yeah, Nude Beige. Now I'm using this one because I have dry skin, but if you do have oily to combination skin and you don't like that dewy look, they do have the, what's this called? This is the Photo Focus Foundation. This is the liquid foundation. I don't really like this one because it's really dry. I use it from time to time, like if I moisturize really well and I have like hella dewy primers and shit. But I prefer this one because It's dewy. I'm gonna use a sponge. I think it works better with a sponge, honestly. This is also a new sponge. I got this from Shop Miss A. It felt really squishy. Y'all know I like the pink one. The pink one's my favorite. But I wanted to get a new one, so, and it's only $1. Like, honestly, get you some. These are really good. Start sponging it in. Now we're gonna go back to the concealer to conceal these under eyes. So I did my concealer and my camera died. So while I was doing that, my camera died. But there's nothing that you haven't seen before, so it's okay. So next I'm moving on to bronzer. This is the Mega Cushion Color Icon Cream Bronzer. This is in the shade Cafe Au Soleil. That's cute. So yeah, I'm gonna be using that on the same sponge that I used earlier. Y'all, I am a fucking mess today. Let me tell you, filming this video has been the biggest struggle of my life. Alright, so next we're moving on to some highlighter. Today I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Highlight Illuminator, and this is in the shade Who's That Pearl, and it just looks like this. It looks kind of like nothing. Like, literally it looks like nothing when you like first get it and you swatch it. It's like, why the hell did I spend my money on this? But trust me, this is the most beautiful liquid highlighter. So pretty. I just love it. Alright, so now that we are done with all of the cream products, we're gonna go and set all of that in place. First, I am gonna set my under eyes. I'm using the Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shades Dulce de Leche. And as you can tell, I freaking love this thing. Obviously, I've already hit pan on the highlighting shade, so you can tell I got love for this. So before I do set my concealer in place, I am gonna pat it out with a sponge because it's been a while since I put it on, so I don't want to set the creases in place. And I'm gonna go into the highlighting yellow shade and to the under eye. I'm also gonna set wherever else I put concealer. And then to set the rest of the face, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild pressed powder. It just looks like this. I don't even have the shade of it because I peeled it off. But it just looks like this. It's a really good powder. So I'm just gonna take that on a fluffy brush. This is a AOA Studio F12. Just sticking a little bit of that and just patting it. And then I am going to go back with that same Dulce de Leche palette, and I'm going to go into the contouring shade. Alright, so next we are going to do highlighter. Y'all already know my favorite step in makeup. So today I am using the Wet n Wild Precious Petal highlighter. Looks like this, and I'm taking a Morphe M510. Can you see that highlight now? And that base that we put before, it just made it even more intense. So I think I mentioned it at the beginning of the video that I didn't get a blush. Stupid me, I thought I had one, but I don't. So I didn't get a blush from Wet n Wild, but I am gonna use a drugstore blush. This is the Milani Luminoso blush. So we're done with the face. Before I finish the eyes, I am gonna set the brows. I also didn't get a brow mascara from Wet n Wild. I honestly don't even know if they have one. TBH, I have no idea. But I am gonna use a very inexpensive one. So this is the 808 Studio Go Brow Fiber Gel, and this is in the shade medium brown, I think. I don't know. So we're just gonna set our brows with that, see how that goes. I've never tried this before, so we shall see. It's like so tiny. Kind of reminds me of the Benefit Gimme Brow when it used to be like in the packaging like this. We shall see how this looks. It like really gives the eyebrow so much fullness. Wow, I'm impressed. This was $1, okay? I am all for this, yes. So I think I'm gonna finish the eyes off of camera. I'm not gonna do anything special. I'm not gonna put lashes on because I don't have lash glue. So I'll be back. So that's what the eyeshadow is looking like. I try to give the eyeliner a second try for the lower lash line, but no. That's a hell no from me. And the mascara that I use is the Kokie Volume and Length mascara. I freaking love this mascara. It's so good. But yeah, that is the eyeshadow. I really like that palette. I definitely recommend it. Alright, so now is time for lips. So for lips, I'm gonna be using the gel lip liner in Bare to Comment, and on top of that I'm going in with the liquid catsuit in Give Me Mocha. Cute. So the last step in our tutorial today is to set the face. So I am using, you can't even tell what it is. I'm using the Wet n Wild The Natural Finish Setting Spray. I actually owned this before and then I ran out because you see how small this bottle is? Wet n Wild, make a bigger bottle. What the hell? I'm just gonna take this off and go to bed. So that is the end of this video, guys. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Follow me on all my social media. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. You're so amazing. You took the time to figure me out. That's why you take me way past the point of turning me on. Alright, stop this, hold on.